Have you ever made a cinematic video with zero editing skills? Hey folks, myself from W Engineers back with another video, and today I am testing Vidu, an AI video tool that turns text, images or even references into cinematic footage. No camera, no team, just creativity and a few clicks. Vidu is an AI-powered platform that can create videos using text, images or even references. With just one or two photos or single sentence, you can generate studio quality short clips even with sound effects. So let's get started to know how to make cinematic video using Vidu AI. And for first, let's make text to video. Here I am typing a futuristic cityscape at night, flying cars, neon signs, cinematic lighting. And from here in settings we can choose the style to be general or animation. Selected it to be animation. We can also change movement aptitude from here, can change aspect ratio, and once we are ready, simply click create. Vidu starts to make our animated AI video and may take some time. Once ready, here we have it. See, here we have it ready. Wow, is not that amazing? It has a slow motion effect to highlight lighting with motion. Feels like Blade Runner but made in under 2 minutes. This is simply too good. Now let's try image to video magic. Now I will try to use two of the images and turn them into a full animated video. Simply click on this to upload first picture, and once done, then upload the second one. Next we need to write a prompt. Here I am writing camera zoom in, figure slowly rise up from the water. Thereafter we can change duration in settings, aspect ratio changing it to 1080p. Now once we are ready, simply click on create to make a cinematic video using images. Vidu starts doing its magic, and once done, here we have it. Wow, this is too good. Looks like a cinematic footage from any Hollywood movie. What do you say about it? Share views in comments. Now let's try AI sound effect. No audio editing is required. You can simply use this AI tool and turn your audio. Like here I am writing the prompt, wind blowing at 2 seconds, footage taps at 3 seconds. Now simply click on create. Within seconds, here we have the result. It instantly feels alive and no sound editing tools are needed. Wow, is not that all amazing? Vidu AI is simply insane. What do you say about it? Share views in comments. Now in last, let's try template to video. Want something fun and fast? The template to video feature is made for that. Upload 1 or 2 photos, boom, you get trending TikTok style videos like hug, kiss and transformations. Simply select any of these templates. Like I like this animate me one. Let's choose this and create a video. And for that, simply click on this. Now here we need to upload an image. Once uploaded, click on create. Within seconds, here we have the result. Let's play it. Wow, this is simply super work by Vidu AI. That's how easily you can also make cinematic videos using only AI. No editing, no skills required. Vidu is just like a mini AI film studio. Text, images, audio, templates. It has everything that you need to bring your ideas to life. So no matter who you are, an artist, influencer or just curious, it's definitely worth exploring. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment to try out Vidu AI now. Or you can also search for Vidu AI on Google. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to W Engineers, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Hill. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. To back a Safari lock on Android phone, as you can't verify your Google account after factory reset. If yes, then this video is for you. Have you ever faced the frustration of corrupted HDR, RAW or log files? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.